Hi, I'm Matt from the Fix-It Specialists. In this video I'll be replacing an oven lamp on a Zanussi cooker. Remember to work safely by disconnecting the appliance before attempting any repair. I've opened the door and removed the shelves inside, and the lamp is located here in the top right hand corner. The lamp cover has to be unscrewed anti-clockwise to remove. Unscrew the lamp and remove. Place the new lamp into the holder, then turn it clockwise until tight. Then refit the lamp cover. Oven lamp on a Zanussi cooker done. Watch our other helpful videos and subscribe to our channel.